gentlemen, on behalf of Group 4, allow me to extend a warm to you all. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Intan Susanti.
My name is Kairuna Danisa Savitri. My name is Fiana Cahaya.
My name is Aska Satira Rahayu.
We are a third year accounting student at Tribakti of Business. Today, we are here to talk to you about understanding cash flow. The purpose of this presentation is to help you understand the importance of cash flow, how it differs from profit, and how managing it well supports healthy profit margin and long-term business success. Next slide. Our talk is divided into 6 parts. First, we will explain what is cash flow. Second is why cash flow matters. Third is types of cash flow. 4 is cash flow versus profit. 5 is common cash flow, challenge and solution. And finally, summary and conclusion. Okay, next slide. Let me begin by explaining what is cash flow. Cash flow is the movement of money in a business. It shows how cash comes in and how cash goes out during daily operation. When a business receives money from customer, it is called cash inflow. When the business uses money to pay expenses such as salaries, rent, or bills, it is called cash outflow. A business needs to manage both inflow and outflows carefully. Even if a company makes a profit on paper, it can face problems if it does not have enough cash available. This is why cash flow is important. It helps ensure the business can pay its obligation and continue operating smoothly.
Sorry for interrupt your presentation, Intan. Can I ask how do cash inflow and outflow affect a company financial health? Thank you.
That's a good question, Kavita. So, the answer for your question is, if cash inflow are greater than cash outflow, the business can operate smoothly and grow. If outflow exceeds inflows, the business may face cash shortage and financial difficulties. Is clear enough?
Thanks, Intan. Your answer is clear enough for me.
Okay, next slide. Now, I will hand over to Vienna.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, Intan. And now I will explain about why cash flow matters. Why cash flow matters because important for business health. Cash flow is crucial for the business survival and prosperity. It ensures liquidity, enabling prompt payment of suppliers, employees, and creditors, and provides the capital necessary for expansion and innovation. Example, like ensure liquidity, funds operation, support growth, manage debt, and facilities investment. Okay, and now I will hand over to Hoyun.
Alright, thanks, Vienna. So this slide I will explain about types of cash flow: operating, investing, and financing. First, operating activities. Operating activities or operating cash flow is cash from daily business activities such as sales and operating expense. It shows whether the company can generate cash from its main operation. Second, investing activity. Investing activity is investing cash flow is cash used for buying or selling long-term assets like equipment or building. This shows how the company invests for the future growth. The last one is financing activities. Financing activities or financing cash flow is cash related to loans, share, and dividend. It shows how the company gets money and pay it back.
Sorry to interrupt. My ask for you, which type of cash flow is the most important for a company and why?
Alright, that's a good question. The answer is operating cash flow is the most important type of cash flow because it comes from the main business activity. It shows whether the company can generate enough cash to pay daily expense such as salaries, rent, and supplier. Is the explanation clear for you?
Yes, enough. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. For the next slide will be explained by my friend Vienna.
Okay, thanks for the explanation, Irun. And now I will explain about cash flow versus a critical distinction. While often confused, cash flow and profit are distinct financial metrics. Profit indicates the company's success in generating revenue over expense, where cash flow reflects the actual movement of money. Example like profit, net income, revenue means expense, accrual accounting, and cash flow is actual cash movement, liquidity, solvency, and the last one is overlap or financial health, business performance.
In this slide, we look at the most common cash flow challenge and how to solve the basic issue like delayed payments or unexpected expense can be managed by creating emergency fund and automating expense tracking. The bottom line is identifying the gaps early is key to keeping our business resilient. Well, next, I will to manage your cash effectively. Remember that cash is king. So priorities cash flow. Monitor your forecast constantly and implement strategies to control your spending, always anticipating future challenges. Next, I will hand over to Ira.
Alright, thank you, Vira. So the conclusion is cash flow is very important for a business. It shows how the company. Good cash flow management helps a company pay its bills, avoid financial problems, and grow in the future. So managing cash flow well is a key factor for long-term business success. Alright, that's all from our presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation was helpful. Thank you.